Welcome back to my channel Miss Medicine. This video is about super 30 points of surgery. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. First point is Buerger's disease is strongly associated with smoking. Most common site of breast cancer is upper outer quadrant. Strongest association of breast cancer is BRCA1 gene. You can remember it like BRCA1 first is ladies first. So BRCA1 is for females and BRCA2 is for men. Next point is most common cause of blood discharge from nipple is duct papilloma. Popcorn calcifications on mammography is seen in fibroadenoma. Tietz disease is costochondritis of second costal cartilage. Danforth sign, bilateral shoulder pain because of hemiperitoneum. Caher signs, patient developed left shoulder pain because of splenic injury. Mersey syndrome, when gallstone is pressing common bile duct from outside, can develop jaundice. Charcot's triads includes intermittent pain, intermittent fever, and intermittent jaundice. De Meester criteria is for GERD. Mackler's triad of Boerhaave syndrome includes vomiting, retrosternal pain, and subcutaneous emphysema. Neuhauser sign, it refers to soap bubble appearance seen in distal ileum in case of Meconium ileus. Apple core lesion on barium anemia is seen in carcinoma colon. Renshaw sign, yellow discoloration of umbilical region in ruptured common bile duct. Fothergill signs, abdominal wall mass that does not cross midline and remains palpable when rectus contracted in rectus muscle hematoma. Claybrook sign, accentuation of breath and cardiac sounds through abdominal wall in ruptured abdominal viscus. Next sign is Bessler sign, sharp pain created by compressing appendix between abdominal wall and iliacus in chronic appendicitis. Next point is Gleason staging is for carcinoma of prostate. Jackson staging is for carcinoma of penis. Treatment of choice for duodenal atresia is duodenostomy. Treatment of choice for superior mesenteric artery syndrome is duodenojejunectomy. Most common site for bleeding in angiodysplasia is cecum and ascending colon. Most common type of kidney stone is calcium oxalate. Most common type of gallbladder stones is mixed. Racket-shaped incision is done in microdotectomy. Cavron or rooftop incision done in Whipple's procedure. Modified radical mastectomy is elliptical Stewart's incision. Parotidectomy, modified Blair and Lazy S incision. Neck dissection, McPhee, Schockbinzer and Y-shaped incision. Next point, Alvarado score is for acute appendicitis. For Alvarado score, Mentrals is the mnemonic. Already uploaded that video. If you are interested, you can watch that video. Next point, biliopancreatic division with duodenals which offers maximum weight reduction. Hirschsprung's disease is also known as congenital megacolon. Ramstad's pyloromyotomy is done for congenital hypertrophic pyloric stenosis. Trendelenburg operation is for varicose veins. Xanthogranulomatous pyelonephritis is caused by Proteus. Meckel's diverticulum is content of Leiter's hernia. Herniotomy is done for congenital hernia. Balthazar score is prognostic score system for pancreatitis in CT scan. D-Agidio classification is for pseudopancreatic cyst. Most common cause of chronic pancreatitis is alcohol. Chronic anal fissures are usually associated with skin tag at lower end is known as sentinel pile. Bloom-Richardson grading is for carcinoma of breast. Shimada index is for neuroblastoma. Chang staging is for medulloblastoma. Duke staging is for colorectal carcinoma. Masaoka staging is for thymoma. Nevine staging is for carcinoma of gallbladder. Saint's triad includes hiatus hernia, gallstones, and colonic diverticula. Galeazzi triads includes Duptrien's contracture, retroperitoneal fibrosis, and Pioneer's disease. Burkhardart's triad includes epigastric pain, retching without vomiting, and inability to pass a nasogastric tube is seen in gastric volvulus. Quink's triad includes upper GI bleeding, biliary colic, and jaundice, which seen in hemophilia. Next triad is Cushing's triad, which include hypertension, bradycardia, and irregular breathing. Next is Irish nodes, left axillary lymph node metastasis, which is seen in carcinoma of the stomach.